Now we will discuss our experiment number 5, and experiment number 5 is related with measures of central tendency, and we will discuss the first question related to our experiment number 5. And what is this question? In this question we have given a data set. We have to calculate the value of mean, median, mode and the middle 40% of the observation. So how to do that? We need to go to our Excel sheet. Just I have written all these values. These are my data set which is shown in this example. So these are the 30 observations and I have written these 30 observations in 3 rows and 10 columns. What is my aim? My aim is to obtain mean, mode, median and middle 40% of the observation. What is statistical tools? Statistical tools are mean, median, mode and deciles, or we can also take percentile. Required formula mean, median, mode, deciles and percentile. And what is the data source? Data source is provided in practical sheet. So this is my data set, and now I want to find out the value of mean. So just I have calculated these values, but I will show you how to do that. So to do that, first I have to find out the value of mean. So how to calculate the value of mean? So we need to apply a function called as average, equal to average. So this is average, and give the data set. So once you give this data set and bracket complete, enter. So that will give me the value as my average. So this is the value of mean. So how to calculate the value of median? So on the same line, we can also find out the value of median. So how to do that? Equal to median. So apply this median and give the range. So this is the range. Bracket complete and enter. See, this is very simple that you can use only the built-in functions. So how to find the value of mode? Again, we have to use the built-in function, and with the help of built-in function equal to mode. See, this is mode. Choose this value and give the range and enter. So that will gives me the value of mode. So these are the value of mean. Mean is 0.9896, median is 1.05 and mode is 1.0. Now we are interested in finding the value of middle 40%. So to find out middle 40%, we can use a formula D3 and D7. Also you can use a formula P30 and P70. With the help of P30 and P70, you can easily find out the value of P3 and P7. And the range between this P3 and P7 is my middle 40% of the observation. How to calculate this? P30 and it is P70. We can calculate both P30 and P70 in this case. So how to do that? So to find out this value equal to percentile, so you can use this percentile. So give the array, this is my array, comma, and which value I need? I need 30%. So 30% means 0.30, 0.30, bracket complete. See, this is my value 0.92. And to calculate this value P70, I can use again the same formula, percentile formula, and give the range. So this is my range, comma, and now I am finding the 70th percentile. So that is 0.70, enter. So this is my 0.92, this is my 1.1115. This means what? So the 40% of these observations is between 0.90 to 1.115. We can also find out these values with the help of data analysis. Go to data analysis, descriptive statistics, okay. Now give this range, right? Grouped by columns. Now we output is this statistics. Go to OK. These are the values. What values I am getting? This is mean, median, mode, and all the necessary descriptive statistics values that I have calculated. So that is shown in this case. The same value I am getting. Mean is this, median is 1.05, mode is 1.05, and all the minimum and maximum value. This way, you can calculate descriptive statistics. Come to the second question. In this second question, a train travels an initial distance of 5 km at the speed of 8 km per hour, next 80 km at the speed of 100 km per hour, the last 10 km at the speed of 7 km per hour. Compute a suitable average and find out the average speed of a train over its entire trip. So first, what is my aim in this case? My aim is to obtain speed of a train by using suitable average. Statistical tools which required in this case is harmonic mean. Required formula is harmonic mean, and data source is given in our practical sheet. I have already prepared a observation table in which I have written the speed of the train, distance traveled, and time taken. The first speed of the train is 8. These are the values which represented at 8. The speed is next is 100 kilometer. The next is the speed of 7 kilometer per hour. These are the speed values. The distance traveled are 2 kilometer, 80 kilometer, and 10 kilometer. Once you know these values, then it is easy for us to calculate the harmonic mean. These are the speed values. I have written these are the speed values. These are the distance traveled. We have to calculate is the time. How to calculate the to calculate time? The frequency divided by x. Calculate this value, frequency divided by x. Finally, take the total. And what is that total? The total of this distance is 95 kilometers. Train traveled 95 kilometers. The time taken is 2.8535. To find out the harmonic mean, what we need to do is we have to divide this value 95 by the time. And once we divide 95 by 2.85, we are getting the value as 33.29. Therefore, we have used here the statistical tool as harmonic mean, and the average of a train for its entire trek is 33.29. Thank you very much.